Hey, how's everybody doing? Russ Claridy over at Simply Wooden Creations on YouTube and his own website, simplywoodencreations.com, is hosting a Scrollsaw Contest for 2016. And this year he's having a Thanksgiving themed Scrollsaw Contest. So everybody's supposed to do something on a scroll saw, something to do with Thanksgiving. So what's your favorite thing about Thanksgiving anyway? Well, I have two favorites for Thanksgiving. One is football and the other is dinner. Dinner is my absolute favorite. So I figured, since that's my favorite, I would scroll something to represent Thanksgiving dinner. So I found this little plaque, and it has all the different things, all the different things you'd have for your Thanksgiving meal. And this is going to be my entry in Russ's Scrollsaw Contest, and hopefully it'll pull one of those nice little prizes out. So hang with me here for a couple of minutes and I'll put a fresh plate in and we'll get started. have it, folks. My entry into Russ's Scrollsaw Contest 2016. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed cutting this out. I want to thank Deb and Oz over to Scrollsaw Village for the pattern, and I want to thank Russ for hosting this contest again this year. Glad I could be a part of it. You might want to check Russ's channel out at Simply Wooden Creations. Check out his website at simplyWoodenCreations.com. And if you're so inclined on Saturday nights, we have a little soiree that we call Let's Talk Shop with Russ at 8 o'clock Eastern on YouTube. Check us out there. We have a lot of fun. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate it greatly. Like, thumbs up, share, all that stuff. Leave comments down below. And I hope to see you again here in the boardroom at some point. And again, thank you for watching. Have a good one, folks.